It stands to reason. The insurance that has to pay for your collision repair is going to want to save money on it. So why use their preferred body shop that may use aftermarket parts? These shops work for the insurer. At El Dorado Collision Center on Poway Road, we use original quality parts and repair to the manufacturer's standard. We accept all insurance, but we work for you. El Dorado Collision Center, where you get a perfect repair with a lifetime guarantee.